Hey Shubham, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. However, I have been receiving constant emails from the client regarding your carelessness. And they have called you unprofessional because you were unable to deliver creatives the last time. What do you got to say about it?
But they were asking me to change the whole creative at the very last moment. In fact, the creative was first approved, and suddenly on Friday evening at 6 pm, they wanted it completely changed. They give weird feedback like मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. Design मज़ा देने के लिए होते हैं क्या? Now, yesterday all day I was just changing the position of the logo in the creatives. Am I here to shift logo left, right, and center?
Okay, first of all, that is no way to talk to your manager. Look, we all have to go through this. This is not something new. And I thought you already knew by this time. Anyway, I don't want to be harsh about it, but the next time any such stinker comes from the client, I would have to act on it. So we better hope that there is no next time.
Shooby Doo, my man, how are you?
Anurag,
Yes, man.
how are you here?
Bro, remember in Bali we used to discuss about traveling around India? And I thought I saw on Instagram that you are in Goa. So why not start from Goa? I'm here, man. You up for it?
Up for what?
Up for traveling around, man. Let's explore Goa together. Let's take a scooter. Let's go to the beaches. Just like old times in Bali, man.
Nah, man, I have work. This week is not good for me. I really need to get my shit together, man.
What's wrong with you, man? You look unhappy. You look different.
I don't know, man. I was in college and I used to edit videos, design stuff just for fun. At the end of the college, I went on a solo trip to Bali where I met you, Walid, Dylan. We had so much fun. Back then, all I dreamt was a life of travel, fun, and creativity. I didn't care about money. I don't know how I arrived at this place in my life. Nothing seems right. I have lost just one thing I had, my creativity.
I get you, my man. Life sometimes pushes us against the wall, and we have no other option but to break the wall. Do you remember that time we were trying to visit that waterfall in Bali? And we were lost in the jungle because I took that shortcut, and you were all angry and cribbing about it. Remember how you were dehydrated and we couldn't find our way to that beautiful spot? And then we still said, okay, fuck it. We'll take this path and we'll continue going, right? And eventually we figured it out, right? We found that beautiful and magical view, right? We enjoyed it, right? And that's what matters, right? So I want you to experience that thrill all over again, and that's why I'm here. And you know what you need to do for that? You need to pack your bags and come with me. And one last thing.
ओस सी एक बूंद सा तो गई मुझ में ठहर गया खामोश सी थी हवा जिसमें नगमे भर गया मौसम बदले चाहे बदले ये जहां क्यों ये यादें सारी बांधी मुझे रखती
गया भाई? What happened?
Anurag, you always do this. Because of you, we are lost in jungle again.
Why do you care, man? Just follow the path and we'll reach somewhere, right? Just like we did in Bali.
थोड़ा उलझना है अब खुद में, खुद से वाकिफ हो जाऊं मैं। खाली है ना जाने क्यों ख्वाब मेरे, ढूंढ लूं मैं वो जगह जहाँ खुशियाँ मिल जाए। मौसम बदले चाहे बदले ये जगह, क्यों ये यादें सारी बांधे मुझे रखती।
How are you feeling, man?
I'm feeling fucking awesome.
Cool.
Thanks for coming over, man, and reminding me how I'm supposed to live my life.
अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक ज़रूर करना। For more such videos, please subscribe to this channel.